You ever had red pea soup with seafood before? Today I'm showing you how I mix the rich smoky taste of traditional red pea soup with the tender sweetness of conch and octopus. It's comfort and coastal flavor in one pot. Let me show you how to make it. Conch meat nice and washed. Now we're gonna cut these up into desirable size. Let me know, have you ever tried conch before? Add the conch, octopus, a whole heap of garlic, pimento seeds, we're gonna allow this to pressure for about 45 minutes to an hour, okay? Now it's time to prep. I'm gonna start off by making the dumplings. 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1/4 cup of refined cornmeal. Do you like a whole lot of dumplings in your soup, or you like more meat? Which one you like? Use 1 cup of water, okay? Blaze up back the fire, you know. Add some more water. Add more garlic. Garlic can't too much. Cover for about 15 to 20 minutes. Gonna add some coconut milk. The time pulls it asleep. After about 10 minutes, we're gonna add the dumpling them. Time for season up the pot, adding some scallion, fresh thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper, salt, gray Scotch flavored seasoning. If you don't have this one, just use the one with the noodle. I'll give this a taste now. Wow. Gonna add a little bit of Scotch bonnet powder, about half teaspoon. Give it 20 more minutes or so. All done. So now we're gonna go ahead and do a taste test. Wow, man, nice, not true? Tastes good, don't you? So how was it?
Well, good, man. Tastes good for you. Well, it tastes damn good.
Tastes real tender and nice. Tastes so hearty and nice. So comforting. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you had soup today. Did you make soup? Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye, guys.